I'm back with some wedding content. Hello, my cute little internet friends, and welcome back to my channel. I am really looking forward to going on this journey with you guys today. I'm going to be trying on my mom's original wedding dress. If you guys are new here, hello, hi, welcome, so happy to have you. If you've been around for a while, you know that I had to postpone my wedding, and by postpone, I mean like completely cancel. We just canceled our wedding last year due to the lockdown. We were supposed to get married in Hawaii, and we just didn't want to reschedule it because we simply didn't know what the world was gonna look like. But since the world's starting to reopen, and Jeff and I and our friends and family have all gotten our vaccines, we're starting to think about replanning a wedding. And as much as that kind of stresses me out, the one thing I am pretty pumped about and have definitely thing that I've really gotten back into is looking for the perfect wedding dress. Last year I was making a lot of wedding dress content, and I'll leave the playlist below. I even went to Beholden and found a dress that I thought I was going to wear, but now that things have changed so much, my body's changed, the whole thing, I just don't know if I'm going to ultimately end up wearing that dress. So this is all to say that I will be here on my channel diving back in, diving back in to the wedding dress hunt, and I am excited to share the experience with you guys. So today I thought it would be fun to throw it back to my mom's wedding dress. My mom and dad were married in 1976. That made my mom 24 years old, and her mom made her wedding dress. Now, according to my mom, they decided not to do the whole like preserving of the dress, which by the way is so expensive. Like, not only do you have to buy this expensive dress and then you have a wedding, but then you have to pay all this money to preserve it for what? I mean, I guess for your daughter to wear it or to make a YouTube video about, but no, my mom decided against that. So as far as I know, it's still hanging in a closet, just in a simple like dress bag up at the house I grew up in. I know exactly where it's at. I've never really examined it or tried it on, so I thought I would journey up there with you guys today and give it a try. And then as a little extra bonus, I'm gonna go over to my mom's house and surprise her with it and see what she thinks. It's a shame that it wasn't preserved, actually, now that I think about it, and maybe it is worth spending the money on it, because I've really been into looking at vintage dresses and secondhand dresses, and being able to wear my mom's dress that my grandma made would be super special. But thanks a lot, Mom. No, just kidding, just kidding. No. So let's go give it a try. Come along on this journey with me and let's see where we end up. Hi. Okay, I'm at my dad's house now. I want to take you to the closet where the dress is. I know it's in here because I recently helped clean out this closet and I saw it hanging there. How much of a dad closet is this? You know what I mean? Just in case we ever need these. So this right here is my dress from Beholden that I brought up here because I was getting depressed having it in my closet. And this, I believe, is my mom's wedding dress. It's not even in a nice bag. So there you go. Or on a nice hanger. I gotta respect the lack of respect. You know what I mean? All right, let's give this a try on. Just in case you were confused and thought I was a cool looking kid. Why did I slick my hair back like that? All right, we're now in my childhood bedroom, which has now been turned into like a guest room slash gym. But I figured before I try the dress on, we should just look at it. I really truly can't imagine the last time this bag has been opened. What if little moths came flying out? Let's see. Aww, aww, oh my god. Wait, I kind of actually love. Obviously I've seen pictures of my mom in this before, but it's kind of fun to see it up close. I am loving the flower detail here. This like floral lace. I actually like kind of would love a dress with these little daisies on them. So cute. Obviously, this was white or maybe like an off-white, but it's definitely aged into a brown hue. But it's quite pretty, and I love that my grandma made this. I love that my grandma made this. This is beautiful. Very 70s. Look at the detail. Honestly, Grandma, good for you, babe. Good for you. All right, I mean, it's definitely like thin and it feels a little crunchy. I don't know if it was always like that, but let's try her on. Okay, whoa, wait, and move to the hallway so we can get a better idea of the full dress. And I'm honestly tripping out because not only do I look like my mom, but I've seen pictures of her in this for years and years and years. And so I'm having a weird like look in the mirror and it's her kind of thing. But here it is. It is so much better than I actually thought it was going to be. So take a look. I mean, let's keep in mind, like, this is from the 70s and my grandma made it. It's not probably ideal to people now, but it's kind of great. And it fits like a glove, which is super fun. And there's just something really special about it. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. I did not expect this. I thought it was gonna be like, I don't know, I'm not sure. Also, I found her veil, which is so very sweet. And it has the same like flower detail on it. I'm not sure why it has a safety pin on it. Like safety pin it to her head. But not obsessed with this part, but this is kind of everything. Oh, hey, girl. Oh, hey, yes, okay. Uh-huh, here we go. What if I wore this? I mean, it's definitely not bad. It's better than a lot of the dresses I've tried on in the past. I love this. Grandma, come on. Well, I mean, there's not much to say about it. Again, like, if you watch or check out the playlist below of like all the wedding videos I've tried on, you could see like styles and things that I like and things that I don't. And I gotta say, like, the detailing on this is really quite stunning and cute. I kind of love the simplicity. I'm like not mad about this. For real, I was like, oh God, I don't even want to like take the time to bring this to my mom's and then we have to find somewhere to keep this. Like, I kind of want to keep this. I don't know what for exactly. Like, I don't think I would wear this to my wedding, but maybe there's elements and pieces of it that you can restore and use. I don't know, you guys. I'm like kind of here for this. What do you think? Let's go bring this to my mom and see what she thinks. I should make her put it on. Is that weird? Yeah. That's weird. Okay, I just got to my mom's house and she's not here yet, which is perfect. So I'm setting up the camera and the tripod right in front of the front door. So when she walks in, we can surprise her with the dress, see what she thinks. This should be fun. Okay, she's pulling in and I also was able to get this on, which is perfect. Okay, I'm excited. Ta-da!
Oh my God, it fits you like a glove. Oh, weird.
Oh my God, I know.
Wait,
I'm recording you.
Hi. Oh my God.
I know. It's not bad.
Is it?
I'm actually impressed.
That's incredible.
Yeah.
Wow, you look great.
I know. Can I come? Do you mind? Sorry.
Yeah, I love this stuff. Oh, hi.
I wanted to surprise you.
Oh my God.
What do you?
It is crazy.
Does it make you feel good that I fit in it?
Yeah. And it's not even yellow and icky or nothing.
It's not bad. Just up here.
Yeah, it just needs a little thingy.
I actually I didn't realize that it had flowers and stuff on it. I love it.
I know.
I wonder if we could like restore it in some way.
I don't know.
Was it always this like crunchy?
Well, I'm sure it's old crunchy.
Yeah.
Wow.
Was it weird?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you're looking in a mirror?
You're much prettier.
No!
You're much prettier.
I actually didn't think, one, it was gonna fit right, and two, that I would like it, and
Did it have buttons here? I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh wait, it had
She did it. Grandma
look.
did all of this?
Yeah, it had a hook.
Yeah.
Well, here's the funny story. We went to Bullock's and we saw a dress just like this, and at the time it was $350. We're like, oh, that's so much money.
Oh my God, now it probably would have been.
Who knows? But let me see the back.
So Grandma just recreated it?
Wow. Yeah, so she recreated it. So we took a bus downtown Los Angeles and went to where they sell all the fabrics and everything and the appliques. And then, but she made a dress like that out of muslin and then put it on me to make sure it would fit.
Yeah.
And I made this too.
Kind of love it.
It's so cute.
Oh my God.
Let's get married.
Let's get married.
Oh,
I don't need a new dress. I could just wear this.
that's great.
Do I kind of look like a old timey
Oh, you know where you go and you put on old time clothes?
Yeah. I feel a little haunted doll bride, but
Yes.
it's not bad. I feel like some of this is still in style.
God. I couldn't get my fat ass.
Do you want to try it on?
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
I can't get it. I couldn't even.
Yes, you could.
No, I couldn't.
Oh my god. Well, surprise.
That was good. That was a good surprise.
Would you have recognized it?
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Anyways, this concludes the video. What do you guys think? Do you think it's worth like restoring some of it? Like it would be cool if I had a dress made to take some pieces of this and use it.
Wait, and then you had to put.
Sorry, the lighting is terrible in here.
And then you had to do this.
Oh yeah. I don't know if I want to wear a veil. It feels a little too.
Now it's like a creepy, like dead doll.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I feel like a haunted doll.
Oh my god. That is funny.
Well guys, hope that you like this. Stay tuned for more wedding videos because now we might have a wedding again.
It kind of smells.
It definitely smells. I've been sneezing since I found it. Thanks so much for watching guys and we'll see you next time. Bye.